carry on. What I am doing now is the throttle cables. So I don't need you there, do I? I need you up here. So I'm moving this camera to there. Is that any good? That's alright. And then I need to adjust this camera so you can see the other bit. I can't really see behind, so whatever, that, hopefully that works. If not, I'll make do with that camera. Still getting used to all these cameras and microphones. Hopefully it turns out alright after lost a decent amount of footage and sound. At least one of the at least this camera will get the front-facing camera, I'll say, because I don't know if I'm going to edit it right. So at least that camera, the main camera, the wife's camera, will catch the sound as you've seen in the other videos. Well, I hope it does anyway. So it'll be a bit annoying. Am I still recording on my phone? Yes, still recording my voice, so that's something good. And hopefully putting this clip on the top will stop it from crackling and scraping and all that kind of bollocks. So hopefully that sorts that out. So all I'm doing here is just trying to get these cables back on. I know I've shown this a few times before now, but I might as well carry on. At least if this doesn't work, it doesn't really matter, does it? You've seen it. Clean this grip. I wish I brought black grips now. I did, to be fair, I did think they were black grips because on the picture it looked a bit darker than that. Dark grey would have been nice, but I was after black. Next time, next year maybe. What's that? Bloody fly whizzing around the window. Oh, that's not him. Well, crack in the window. Oh, I don't need to adjust that. Oh, sound. Don't need to adjust it, but that's on. Bob's your uncle. Does that work? Perfect. Boom, 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 boom. Snatch is back. We're all right there. Right. I think the next part of the job should be putting the tank on, airbox. So I'll put a bit of fuel in first, see if it runs. Yeah, I'll do that. Put a bit of fuel in, see if it runs. Get some my bottle for fuel. Where are you? Let's have you around here somewhere. Don't really want to wedge my tank up, you see, so you get scratching stuff. Anyway, jug would do. Jug, bottle, just to put some fuel in so I can put it in there. Anything like that. I'm going to put the exhaust on, I can't believe that. Pop that exhaust on. Grab the exhaust. I do need to polish this link pipe up a bit really. But I'll put this on for now so you don't pull out. Definitely. It looks like a bike again. And the front fairing is on as well because you need the air pipe connecting up for it to run correctly. So if I turn it on now, I've been pouring fuel into the fuel pump pipe from the tank, so hopefully now there's enough in. I've tried to crack it over, it tried to start, but I thought I'd show you lot first. Are we ready? There we are. That'll do. We still get to balance the carbs, so the tank's not bolted on, it's just connected for now. The parts are connected, and this isn't bolted on, it's just connected to the pipes at the front for the ram air, and also a little snorkel at the front there. So that'll be all sorted. So the next time you see this, it'll be nice and fairing it up, so to speak. If you could see it there, I reckon that'll be, the camera's dropping, and I'm going to say call that a day for that. So hopefully the adapter comes for the camera and the microphone, so you can go for a spin on it as soon as possible. I don't know how to mount the camera though. Quick mount it up here. A few bits and bobs. There we are. Time to put her back together and clean her up a little bit. It is dusty. Anyway, thanks for watching. I've been Custom Tom.